Hello, social media. This is your girl, Keisha Murray, Wellness Lady Keisha, coming back to get some things clear about our Té Divina. Okay, what you're looking at here is a regular order of 6 individual packs of the Té Divina. On my retail website, joinmyvitadivina.com, you can get these 6 packs of tea with one order for $60. The shipping is $6.50. That's the standard shipping. Other shipping options will be made available in the future, but with USPS, the shipping is $6.50. So for $66.50, you can get these 6 packs of tea in less than a week. Somewhere between 4 to 5 business days. Okay, this is going to be the most economical way for you to get this Té Divina tea. Now, we are individual distributors, visionaries with Té Divina. So, individual packages of this tea may be sold at different prices around the country, around the globe. So, the prices will vary. Now, what I'm looking for are investors with this tea, because there is a high demand for this tea. Okay, with $600, with a $600 investment, okay, I can help you in a matter of days, weeks, okay, less than a month, earn $1,000 profit with this tea. This tea is so fantastic. It's a filter for your life. It's a detox tea that has a slimming effect, and the world loves to be slim. So I have all the information below. Just follow the details, inbox me, give me a text message, and I'll let you know how we can move forward. If you would like to be a business partner with me, you can go to my link, joinmyvitadivina.com, and join for free, actually, until the end of the year 2016. Okay, we have packages for 120, for 300, for 600, and 1,200 if you would like to join. But this $600 option is definitely worth it. If you just want to be an investor, you just want to make some money, I will do all the work for you, and I will help you, I will help you make you some extra money, okay, with no extra work. All right, I'm a business person. I've been a business person for years in the community, and I am very well respected. Okay? So, give me a call, give me a text, send me an email. But let's get busy. Yay, Té Divina!